Good morning, folks. This is just a quick video to demonstrate for folks who are struggling a little bit about the file exchange, how to get into it. So I'm going to post my introduction right now and walk you all through it, okay? So, boom. So here, we are in the group file exchange, or the groups. You click down here to an introduction discussion group, and you click on that. And then you scroll down. I realize this doesn't look like what you see. I can't help that. Again, I hate Blackboard. But you go to the file exchange. You click on file exchange, click add file. I'm going to go with Bob's, this one, yeah, intro. So you title it, you got your name on there. Then you click on browse your computer and go to where you saved your intro, and that's up there with me. I click on that. Over here, you click on open, and it's there. And then down here, you've got to submit it. And now it's in. It's that easy, folks. If you got any questions, email me. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.